how to solve integral of cos to the power 4x dx. So it will be 1 over 4 integral of 4 cos to the power 4 x dx. Look, 4 cancel. We'll find out again previous line. Then I can say 1 over 4 integral of, it will be 2 cos square x whole square dx. Look, 2 square is 4 and 2 times 2 this 4. Then I can say 1 over 4 integral of 2 cos square x, it will be 1 plus 2x cos 2x square dx. Then 1 over 4, we know that a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. According to these rules, I can say here is 1 plus 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x dx. Then I can say 1 over 4 integral of 1 dx, it will be x plus 2 times integral of cos 2x, it will be sin 2x over 2 plus integral of cos square twice x dx. Then I can say here is 1 over 4 x, 2 cancel. So we are find out here is sin twice x plus 1 over 2 integral of 2 cos square 2x dx. Because of that, here is 2 cancel. So we are find out again previous line. Now I can say here is 1 over 4 x plus sin twice x plus half integral of, we know that 2 cos square 2x, it will be 1 plus 4 cos 4x. According to trigonometric rules, here is dx. Then I can say 1 over 4 x sin twice x plus integral of 1 dx, it will be x. So here is half, so x over 2 plus integral of cos 4x, it will be sin 4x over 4 times this 2 plus c. Then I can say 1 over 4 x plus x by 2, it will be 3x over 2 plus sin twice x plus sin 4x over 4 times 2, it will be 8 plus c. This is our final answer. Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Goodbye.